my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and tutorial using the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty palette right here. Got it in the mail today, so I did a quick little unboxing on my iPad and then I filmed the video on my camera super fast because I really wanted to get into the palette and play with it. So the quality isn't the best because I was just in such a rush because I wanted to just rip into the palette and it was so exciting. So first of all, here's the palette. The packaging is absolutely stunning. The palette is actually huge. Which I wasn't expecting, and then we open it up and here it is. The brush that comes with it is there also, but I was using it, but this is just the little palette. So if you take away these 6 shades here, we have a totally neutral. If you take away these shades here, we have a really colorful palette. That's what I really like about the variety. I think that's really neat. They're super blendable. And overall, I really do like this palette. I will also insert the swatches here on the screen for you guys to see how amazing these shadows are. But if you want to see how I created this look right here, then just keep on watching. Here it is. I just have the box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I am so excited. Oh my god, that was beautiful. It's huge. Here it is. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Lunar Beauty, and then in the back. And oh my god, this is sick. Can I even open it? Yeah. I'm so excited. It is huge. Oh my god. This is like, I have a big face. Like, excuse me. This is huge. Oh my god, on the back it says Lunar Beauty and it's all like, it feels very expensive. And they like the outside, I can't breathe. Oh my god. Kind of sickening that looks. I'm so excited to open it. Oh my god. You're kidding. You are joking. Oh my god. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, look at the little mirror. And like the cool detailing. It says be a queen. I love that little touch. This is huge. Like, humongous. Oh my god, like I can't get over the size of this palette. You're joking. This is a huge palette. I didn't get to film a clip in between. This video is kind of all over the place. I didn't get to film a clip in between the unboxing and the tutorial. I did the tutorial super sped up because I was in a big rush because I had to leave my house. I had like tutoring and stuff, so I had to rush through the video really fast. So I didn't get a chance to like talk you guys through what I was doing. So just you get an idea. I will do more tutorials using the palette so you guys can get a better idea because I didn't do the greatest job in this video, but you guys get the gist. And also I have a new social media situation happening. I deleted my YouTube Instagram. I just made the one Instagram for you guys, which is just Emily.Samantha with 2 A's. That's kind of confusing, but like I'm sorry. I've switched up my social media so many times, but this is the real deal. Is what I'm gonna be doing right now. So this is just my Instagram. Yeah, just follow that. Instead of having one for my YouTube and then one for my friends, I decided to make it all the one because it's so much easier, and you guys get a glimpse of my personal life a little bit more. So go follow that. I'll have it on the screen. And yeah, go follow that. And I just disabled my other account. I'm just not going to use it ever again. So yeah. Enjoy the tutorial. Bye guys. yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, I will find the link to Manny's palette and link it down below in the description box. I believe it is not sold out yet, so if you can get your hands on it, I would 100% recommend getting it. It is so worth it. Like, I can't get over this packaging. I can't. Manny, you slayed on this palette, even though you're probably not watching this. But, yeah. I just want to thank Manny for being one of those influencers who really puts so much work into what they create. So, thank you so much for really carrying what you do, Manny. And doing a good job. So, yeah. I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye, guys.